Ian Sawkins aboard the Sun Odyssey 36.2. Absolutely gleaming. One can see. Chart table with a TV above it. What a great nav station. 2 casual seats there with an inbuilt bar in between. Saloon table. A lot of space on this boat. Great board cabin with a vanity basin, and there's a mirror above. I'll come inside and get a pull up picture. I'll shut the door. There is a wardrobe there, full length. As I say, vanity basin with storage below and above, and if we swing by you can see, looking aft, there's the saloon from a different angle. And a great view of the galley. I've got pictures of all those cupboards open. Nice gleaming cooker, gleaming sinks. The master suite, stretching all the way back there. Wardrobe, hanging space, a real good cabin. Engine behind the steps. Have a look here, this is the head with a separate vanity basin, and head there with a shower, wet storage behind, and there, let's open it, let's see, and one can see big amount of space, and then that's where the shower is, and the shower door is here and closes, making quite a separate shower space. Nice design. And then if we come out, see the galley opposite, and then we can look back. Yep. Lovely space.